Hey everyone, it's Khadijah, the founder and CEO of Hennasooq, where I help you with your henna hair color journey. And not only are we focusing on hair color, we are focusing on Ayurvedic healthy hair care, finding the right herbs that will work specifically for your hair and your hair goals, solving all of your pressing pain points when it comes to your hair. We have the hair and beauty bundles. Yes, they are back. And not only are they back, but they are at these crazy, amazing prices. And you guys are gonna love it because these are like mini hair goals in a box. So box number one, it's our Ayurvedic hair growth bundle box. 3 staples you guys have to have: aloe vera powder, amla powder, and cassia bovata. So this box of herbs will not color your hair, not at all. There will be no color deposit from any of these herbs. Well, unless you have all gray, 100% gray, or just a lot of gray that's very porous and might take a little golden tone from the cassia, or if you're already blonde, you might get a little bit of that golden tone. But typically, darker hair strands, redheads, you won't see really any change. You're gonna definitely be using these 3 amazing products in a hair growth mask that you guys are gonna absolutely love. And if you want ideas on how you can get started with these 3 products, you definitely got to look on our channel right here on YouTube. We have tons of videos using aloe vera powder focusing on moisture for your hair, amla, hair growth, and the cassia gives you some of that strengthening, very gentle strengthening, and then focuses on cleansing. So it's a great wash day hair regimen. So get you some of this. And this one is our highly moisturizing bundle, the Sweet Honey regimen. Yes, you've got your deep conditioning Sweet Honey Gloss Bar, another rich deep conditioner, #1 bestseller. It's like, this one is so good. Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher, oof, infused with lemongrass and cassia. And for those of you who are suffering from like finer hair strands, breakage, thinning hair, oof, I got something for you. The Zisophis powder. Yes, this is a key herb to getting your hair naturally to be fuller, richer, thicker, without feeling like heavy and crunchy. Oh, this herb alone is just floofy. Yes, I said it. Floofy. It's just floofy and floof. It has a lot of floof. It just shows you that it has volume. It's so cool. So these 3 together, I chose these together on purpose because I just love the way they work together. I mean, you can add a little bit of Zisophis to the henna gloss bar and just adding, that uplift, that volume to your hair, that fullness, without feeling crunchy, heavy, and dead and dull. This is a great combination. You could use, like I mentioned, these together and then do an extra deep conditioning treatment just with the Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher. That would be the perfect wash day. It would. So this is a great bundle to have. And I put a lot of these boxes together because I know that these are staple go-tos and I wanted it to be special. I wanted them to be in these gorgeous boxes so that way you guys can look at it, open it up, and just not just care for your hair, but have a whole wash day, like a whole self-care day, something you really look forward to. You'd be like, I get to open my box and I get to use my products and do my hair and smell all good. And I mean, that's what we need, right? I mean, you guys, yes, it's a yes for me. We need this in our life for sure. Grab your Sweet Honey hair bundle right on our website. The link will be in the description below, so you can scoop that right up before it sells out. This is another one that goes very fast. It's usually gone very quickly, so definitely scoop this up. So what are you looking most forward to when it comes to the Sweet Honey bundle? Let me know in the comments below. And tell me, what is your favorite product or favorite way to use this? And did you learn something new? Share with me in the comments below. Let me know what your thoughts are. So don't forget, you gotta hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, because you don't want to miss any other videos. And I will see you next time. Bye.